Hello all. Yes, so I will not will be talking more than 10 minutes. It will be a pretty straightforward. It is not about just the coding part. It's all about the configuration of how you can set up the physical objects into the real world, which the users or nearby users can get triggered on their device. So let's start. What is physical web? I don't need internet at all. Yes, so a word in which you can walk up and use anything. A physical objects which you want to be promote on. Provides ability, physical web itself provide ability to physical objects to communicate with you whenever you are in that nearby range. Everything you like is just a click away. You just need to get the alert, and on clicking of that alert you will get more information related to that. Check all the web pages around you and pick the most convenient to you. Most important, you don't need an application installed on your device. I will show and we will test at the end of my session. You can test on your device as well. Support in both Android and iPhone devices. How I will also present to you all how it works. So it is about a beacon which support Eddystone protocol and consistently transmit URL to nearby devices. It gets triggered within like 1 second, 2 seconds, whatever the transmission rate you want to set in. Inbuilt services such as nearby notification. In iPhone it is a Google Chrome which can trigger that kind of notification into your device, can scan for these URLs. URLs only which are able to pass the proxy will get display on your device. Only HTTPS, no HTTP URL you can place on. You can tap the notification to see more details associated with it. Let's see how. So in this example, you are, let's say you are near to any bus stop and you want to have the information for the next bus. So it gives you like this kind of beacon will be placed into that bus stop, and it is just transmitting the data to the nearby devices. And even without application installed on your device, you can get the notification and get the more information about it. How to start? If you want to place this kind of beacons, and if you want to promote any of your product, how you can start with? Yes, so first you need to get the beacons which support Eddystone protocol, or you can go with any devices. You need to transform your devices. As you might aware, you can transform your real device into a beacon. So that are the two possibilities. You need to choose any one. Second is form your beacons. You need to set up the URL. Let's say you are putting any beacon near to any physical objects, and if any user get the notification related to that, you have to form the beacon's detail like URL which you want to promote for. If user tap on that notification, user will be redirected to that website for more details. Place your beacons into a physical space, that's it. And the users can get notification and your product can get promoted. Let's see how you need to configure. First, you need to create a project on Google Console. That's what we are doing in to use other services as well. You need to, yes, nearby API you need to enable to access this service. Second, you need to download the Beacon Tools application from Play Store on your Android device. Yes, by opening that application, you just need to be with your beacon. So it will get triggered into unregistered list first. Select your project where which you have created into this console. Then you need to select the beacon for which you want to do the configuration. Second, it will display all the details related to that beacon like this. You need to tap on that register button. It will be registered into your account. Then you just have to double check that registered beacon list will have that beacon details or not. Then to set up related information to that beacon, you need to go to this URL, Google Beacons, then dashboard. You need to select the project for which you want to set up the beacon details. Let's say for this project I am selecting this nearby notification. You need to set up the nearby notification. Here you need to provide the title of your beacon and just the web URL of your beacon. And then you just need to click on save, and it is done. Your beacon is now configured. Wherever you place that beacon, it will give the details to nearby devices. Let's test. I have one beacon with me. So if you have Android devices, you can open your settings. I have mentioned the steps. Like if you have iPhone, you need to install the Chrome. In Chrome, add the Chrome widget to Today View Notification Center and make sure you have a Bluetooth on. Location services as well. In Android devices, if you go to settings, Google, nearby, and then turn on what it requests, you will see one URL. I was supposed to promote GDG DevFest website, but our website is not secure. It is having HTTP URL. So currently I have placed https developer.android.com. So you must have the notification inside your nearby application. I mean the nearby page. Yes. It based on like a range. The people behind might not get the notification. They have to come front. It is also available into this widget window nearby. You can just tap on that and you can see the nearby available physical web objects. So that's it. And if you have Android, if you are Android users and if you do not receive the notification, you can go to Chrome tab and just type this address and just click on the physical web and choose enable. That's it. Thank you.